The Hercules DJ Essentials Kit brings together a full beginner-friendly setup, including a responsive controller, powered speakers, and comfortable closed-back headphones that make practicing for long sessions enjoyable. Its included software options, with both Hercules' own platform and Serato DJ Lite unlocked, give new DJs flexibility to grow without immediately needing paid upgrades. Helpful visual aids on the controller, such as the beat alignment lights around the jog wheels and tempo faders, make learning manual beat matching far less intimidating. The intelligent music assistant analyzes your library and suggests suitable next tracks, which is especially reassuring when you are still developing your sense of flow and crowd reading. Free integrated tutorials and a royalty-free music library let you start mixing and recording right away, even if you have never touched DJ gear before. Despite being a complete package, the kit remains compact and reasonably lightweight, so it is easy to set up in a bedroom studio or carry to a friend's place for practice sessions.